Hello learners. In this session, we are going to learn about operators and expressions. So, let's start with C operators. C operators are of following types: arithmetic operators, unary operators, logical and relational operators, assignment operators, and conditional operators. Let's start with arithmetic operators. These are used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. The adjacent figure shows the symbols of the arithmetic operators and the functions of those operators, like the sign of plus, minus, asterisk, etc. etc. Unary operator in C. A unary operator is an operator used to operate on a single operand to return a new value. In other words, it is an operator that updates the value of an operand or expression. In unary operator have equal priority from right to left side associativity. It can be better understood by looking at the adjacent example. Now, let's see about relational and logical operators. Relational operators are used to compare two values in C language. It checks the relationship between two values. If relation is true, it returns 1, but if it is not, then it returns 0. Logical operators are used to perform logical operations. It returns 0 or 1 based on the result of condition, whether it's true or false. Relational operators are presented in the alongside image, and logical operators are presented below them. Assignment operators. These are used to assign the values for the variables in C programs. For example, we can look on the image shown on the screen. The first column represents the operators and the second column represents the examples where those operators are used, and the third column represents the resultant equivalent expression by using the respective operators on the given examples. Conditional operators. Conditional operators return one value if condition is true and returns another value when condition is false. This can be better explained by this diagram where we get expression 3 when the condition is false on expression 1, and we get expression 2 when the condition is true on expression 1. Library functions. Library functions are built-in functions that are grouped together and placed in a common location called library. Each function here performs a specific operation. We can use this library function to get the predefined output. All C standard library functions are declared by using many header files. These library functions are created at the time of designing the compilers. Header file functions. stdio.h. It is a standard input-output header file in which input-output functions are declared. conio.h. This is a console input-output header file. String.h. All string-related functions are in this header file. Let's see some more header file functions. stdlib.h. This file contains common functions which are used in the C program. Math.h. All functions related to mathematics are in this header file. And time.h. This file contains time and clock related functions. Built functions in stdio.h.